The British Virgin Islands are 30 shining jewels in the West Indies, just 60 miles east of Puerto Rico and 1,100 miles southeast of Miami. They are part of the Greater Antillean chain. There are a variety of ways to get there, from regular flights to the airport, to landing on the water, to a thrilling helicopter ride. Or there's the ferry from St. Thomas, which lands regularly at the government docks on the west end of the main island, Tortola. You can clear customs there and get a taxi to your hotel or yacht. During the development of the New World, the West Indies were a prosperous trading area. Sugarcane was harvested on local plantations, so molasses and rum were the island's two most important exports. Naturally, prosperity also brought pirates to the BVI, and local folklore is filled with pirate tales. The islands also drew the British Navy. It was a perfect location for attacks on the Spaniards in Puerto Rico. The capital of the BVI is Road Town, on the most populated of the islands, Tortola. This charming West Indian village is famous for Pusser's rum, favorite of the British Navy. You can also find a fascinating array of exotic local spices. Or sample the local flavor on a short walk through town. Tropical trees surround whitewashed churches, tiny meandering streets, colorful homes, and quaint shops. Another popular spot on Tortola is West End, a perfect mooring spot for sailors who need a little rest and relaxation ashore. Ridge roads meander all over the British Virgin Islands. It's an adventure in itself to drive on some of them. The reward is spectacular scenery, miles and miles of unspoiled wonder. Towns are few and far between, giving them a decidedly rural look and a warm, friendly atmosphere. Just a short ferry ride from Tortola is Virgin Gorda, a scarcely populated natural wonderland and home of the Baths. The Baths is a natural formation of fallen boulders that form shallow pools for snorkeling, smooth rocks for sunbathing, and endless nooks and crannies that beg to be explored. The Baths is probably the most beautiful spot in the BVI, and certainly the most unusual. Just minutes away is an abandoned copper mine that sits on a spectacular bluff. In the 1800s, the British mined copper from the rich rocks still found here. Virgin Gorda's biggest settlement is Spanish Town, a popular watering hole for sailors and the home of several first-class resorts. Christopher Columbus named the islands for St. Ursula and her 11,000 virgins as his crew was sailing through the islands in 1492. Most are still uninhabited today, leaving beautiful scenery untouched and nature intact. Pirates found the caves like these on Norman Island, perfect for hiding treasure. In contrast are the expansive, secluded beaches of Anegada. And the dense rainforest of Mount Sage National Park, also the island's highest point. For a panoramic view of the BVI, there is Sky World. Or for the most amazing view of all, try a thrilling helicopter ride. Accommodations in the British Virgin Islands range from modest beach cottages to fabulous yachts. You'll be surprised how affordable yachting vacations are. Choices range from sail-it-yourself bareboats to full-service crewed yachts. To charter a bareboat in the BVI, your group must have an experienced captain. The rest is easy. Just relax and enjoy the perfect setting as you hop from island to island. The weather is warm year-round, with temperatures fluctuating in the 70s and 80s, and it's almost always sunny. Northeasterly trade winds provide a variety of sailing conditions. Bareboat companies own different size yachts and offer different options to each charter. You have to fully stock your boat before you leave. Bareboat companies will help you with list of provisions or stock your boat for you. Once underway, you won't have to look long to find a sunny beach or sandy cove to call your own. If you want to spend some time under the water, there are numerous dive operators in the islands who will meet your boat and escort you to some of the best scuba diving in the world. Nightlife in the BVI is just what you would imagine, laid back. There are a handful of local bands to heat things up, or countless quiet hideaways where you can let the evening slide by. Sailors from all over the world enjoy the BVI. Sailing here is by line of sight, and island hopping is one of the lures for bareboaters, with an island in sight at all times. There's a different experience every day. Some anchorages are well known as gathering points for making new friends. If you're not a sailor, you can charter a yacht with captain and crew included. Crude yacht chartering is the ultimate way to experience the BVI. And it's not just for the rich and famous anymore. There are boats available for groups from 2 to 20. Pricing is comparable to most all-inclusive resorts, but no resort offers the thrill of life aboard a yacht. At your fingertips, all the toys you'll need. Most crude yachts come with windsurfers, snorkel gear, and motorboats. Or just jump in and enjoy the crystal clear water. Land lovers will find a wide choice of hotels and resorts in the BVI. Long, white stretches of beach offer hours of solitude and peace. The resorts here are built in perfect harmony with the natural surroundings. Scuba diving opens up a whole new world for the Virgin Islands vacationer. Over 5,000 people each year learn to dive through introductory lessons that only take a few hours.
Okay, so the left hand to there. Right arm to this side. Okay, it'll be a little bit heavy. Okay, slide your mask into place. Yes. The front waist a little bit less once you're in the water. Okay, just regulator in your mouth. And then I want you to place your right hand on the base of the regulator like so, and your fingertips underneath.
Once you've learned, there are dramatic spots, like the wreck of the Rhone, where much of the filming of the movie The Deep took place. A violent hurricane sank the mighty vessel in 1867. Today, it's a perfect example of the varietal coral and marine life here. There are hundreds of great dive sites to choose from, challenging spots for the expert and simple ones for the novice. All of them share one thing in common: the perfect teal waters of the Caribbean. Whether you come to the BVI for the sailing, the diving, the beautiful beaches, or the perfect climate, you'll leave a new and refreshed person. The unspoiled British Virgin Islands.
TravelView International presents a comprehensive guide to hotels, shopping, and services in this exciting vacation destination.
The educated traveler doesn't want to have limited options on their vacation. This is the Lama Law, the largest trimaran in the world, and it caters to the vacationer seeking options. Just look at that space. It's a floating hotel with cabins as large as rooms and meals for all size appetites. Meet Annie and Duncan, owners of the Lama Law and 2 other trimarans. They pioneered the sail-dive concept many years ago, and with that experience, their crews will take you to areas virtually unknown to other operations. Non-divers are equally cared for. Each beautiful anchorage provides opportunities for many other interests. With 3 trimarans in the fleet, both individuals and parties of all sizes can be accommodated. The Lama Law, the Misty Law, and the Trespasser, offering options for the educated traveler.
These are the elegant Trumpy motor yachts, Capricorn Lady and Capricorn Mistress. Your hosts, Dan and Judy Gilman, and their crews invite you to enjoy a casual and relaxed vacation experience. Windsurf, sail, snorkel, or water ski. Or just relax and enjoy the ultimate and fabulous food and first-class friendly service. Spacious air-conditioned staterooms. You'll never be more comfortable. Every cruise is a festive occasion aboard Capricorn Charter Yachts.
Hi, welcome to Promenade.
Thank you.
Welcome to Promenade.
Hello. Andy.
How's it been? Nice. Hello.
How did you do that?
Give me your hand. We'll take your bag. Thank you.
The Promenade is owned and operated by David and Fiona Dugdale and carries up to 10 passengers in spacious comfort. Fee, Promenade's cordon bleu chef, prepares gourmet cuisine throughout the charter week. Promenade is equipped for any water sport activity, and diving is a specialty for many of the charters. And of course, all amenities you might want, such as a video camera and a phone. The Promenade. Nobody does it better.
The thrill and excitement of traditional sailing. Endless Summer Charters are 3 of the most sought-after luxury yachts in the Virgin Islands. Their friendly professional crews use extensive local knowledge to select the very best anchorages. Windsurf, water ski, snorkel, unwind and have fun. Get away from it all. Enjoy fabulous food. Try an afternoon scuba diving, available to beginners as well as the experienced. And in the evening, relax beneath the setting sun. Elegant dining, equally spacious staterooms with private bathrooms make Almost Heaven, Endless Summer 1 and Endless Summer 2 the perfect choice. Pamper yourself. Combine outstanding service with luxurious facilities in a sailing adventure of a lifetime.
Take us from the dark out where we can see. Captain's out to make his
wanderlust. It's a magnificent feeling to know you're on the best. La Buscadora. This motor yacht is unique in the BVIs. Unique for its style and unique in its service. All of this space and all of the amenities are for 4 people. Enjoy diving as much or as little as you like. Enjoy wining and dining on your yacht. La Buscadora, an unforgettable experience.
A high-performance yacht on the world's best sailing waters. This is sailing. This is Ocean Spirit.
Okay, so where we want to point is just over on that island right there.
We call it the Cruise and Learn Vacation. For 2 weeks, you'll experience the beauty of the British Virgin Islands and learn to sail.
Because every time we turn the boat, we have to also give a command to do something with the sails.
Our courses are tailored for anyone, from the novice to the experienced captain. You'll learn from a carefully selected instructor and leave with certification qualifying you to bareboat charter anywhere.
There's your logbook and your certification there too. Congratulations. Hope you have lots of good sailing ahead of you.
You made it easy.
Ocean Spirit is a CNC 44, fast and sleek without sacrificing any comfort. She's equipped with 2 comfortable guest cabins and all the latest navigational instrumentation. Ocean Spirit, operated by Island Cruising.
North-South Yacht Charters is the experienced sailor's delight. North-South operates from Yacht Harbor and Leverett Bay on Virgin Gorda. And it maintains some of the finest bareboats in the industry. Beautiful land accommodations and fine meals at the pub and eatery round off any sailing vacation. Yachts that are easy to handle and exciting to sail. Experienced sailors, discover North-South on Virgin Gorda.
When choosing your vacation, choose the moorings. A moorings vacation begins with a welcome and restful night ashore in one of our resort accommodations. Take a drink and swim to unwind. Enjoy dinner and local entertainment, and you're bound to be greeted by Ginny during your vacation. On day 2, the sailing begins. The Moorings 60-foot is for up to 8 people, although 6 is preferable. And the Moorings 51 is for 2 couples or a family. Whilst enjoying the hospitality and expertise of the crew, you will relax and enjoy fun and freedom. Because the Moorings offers a complete sailing vacation. Everything is arranged by a single company, and your holiday is guaranteed. The Moorings, for the best sailing vacation in the world.
When you're plotting your course through the BVIs, circle Nanny Key on your chart. Nanny Key is easy to find because it's right on the Sir Francis Drake Channel. And once you've arrived, you'll find that the Nanny Key Marine Center is prepared for you. Problems at sea? We have experts and materials on hand. In fact, we have just about everything on hand. Clean and roomy showers, fuel, fresh water, electricity, a laundromat, and a full chandlery. Yachters stop at the Peg Leg at Nanny Key for the fine, fresh seafood and the casual atmosphere. Nanny Key is expanding and has unique plans for the future. A charming West Indian-style community is being developed that will include all the amenities that you're used to at home. It's especially for people who love to be in, on, or near the sea. We will soon offer Nanny Key as a port of entry. And Nanny Key will also have its own water sports center. At Nanny Key, you'll find some of the finest yachts in the BVIs as discerning yachtsmen tie up here. Nanny Key, an island in the sun. Be sure to chart your cruise with us in mind.
We know that you want to be as far away from it all as you can be. At Treasure Isle, we respect that. Meticulously clean, air-conditioned rooms. And what a view. But you seek adventure and spontaneity on your vacation. Daily sailing cruises, scuba diving, or relaxing on our private beach. Entertainment at night, nestled in the hills, yet close enough to the action. Treasure Isle, the atmosphere you seek.
Week-long sailing packages are available with Offshore Sailing School, including lessons for beginners and cruising courses for intermediate sailors.
Reimers at Cane Garden Bay is an oceanfront hotel with all amenities for the yachtsmen. For sailors, there's reprovisioning for any needs, and a laundromat, too. There's a terrific oceanfront restaurant with regular barbecues and entertainment. The 27-room hotel offers all amenities to guests. Paddle boating, windsurfing, fishing, and hobie catting are all right outside the rooms. The long white beach is perfect for running around and stretching out. There's a professional beautician and all the stock items a visitor might need, from food to t-shirts. Come, relax, and play at Reimers at Cane Garden Bay. Easy access and easy anchorage, and plenty to do.
Virgin Gorda is so beautiful. Make it a point to stay for a week. Fisher's Cove is a type of hideaway island lovers seek. The cottages are positioned for privacy and breezy comfort. They have complete cooking facilities and are perfect for lovers and families alike. The hotel rooms are all oceanfront with a white sandy beach to relax on. Fisher's Cove is a local, family-run operation and the home of Miss BVI. Andy will show you the island, the Islanders way. The restaurants feature West Indian-style dishes and are open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. At Le Chateau de Pirotte, the island's entertainment center, there's Caribbean party atmosphere throughout the year. Experience Virgin Gorda. Stay at Fisher's Cove.
The Bitter End Yacht Club is a fine resort establishment on Virgin Gorda. Vacation packages are available, and there's a professional staff to arrange all of your needs. It's also a well-known stopping point for yachtsmen. Everything at the Bitter End is done with style and class. For example, visit the Emporium, a nautical adventure filled with all types of provisions. And feed the turtles and fish in the friendly fish pond. The Bitter End has been designed for discerning guests seeking an all-inclusive vacation, including sailing trips and windsurfing lessons. Breezy oceanfront rooms line the shore, and everywhere guests smell the sweet scent of flower-lined paths that meander throughout the manicured grounds. Gourmet meals and buffets are elegantly prepared and served in a warm, friendly atmosphere. The Bitter End Yacht Club, for yachtsmen and discerning vacationers.
Tucked away on a secluded cove, where Virgin Gorda's spectacular mountains meet the sea, is remarkable Leverick Bay. Choose from roomy condominiums or hillside villas. Enjoy the Caribbean sun on your own private terrace, cook in a fully equipped kitchen, and sleep in total comfort. As a guest at Leverick Bay, you'll have access to our private beach, a brand new tennis court, and a freshwater swimming pool. Leverick Bay is the perfect spot for yachting. Our moorings provide direct access to gorgeous North Sound and the Sir Francis Drake Channel. A wide range of water sports equipment is also available, like windsurfers, motor and sailboats. Full diving services are provided at dockside. Use one of our dinghies to explore North Sound's beaches. Comfortable, secluded, beautiful. Leverick Bay on North Sound, Virgin Gorda.
Hi, we're Bob and Gail Stafford, and this is our underwater safari staff. Based at the moorings, we've been in the yachting and diving business for over 7 years.
Building our business around your needs, we've learned quite a bit.
Most yacht owners don't have dive facilities on their boats, yet many sailors are avid divers.
Rendezvous Tours is our trademark as we cater to cruising yachtsmen.
We'll pick you up at your yacht and bring you to the dive site.
We introduce a lot of non-divers to diving too. Or you can continue sailing while your friends dive, and we will meet you at the next anchorage.
Underwater Safaris is a professional PADI dive shop. We have unlimited rental gear, videos, and photography, and we make your vacation safe, fun, and easy.
Give us a call by phone or radio.
Explore the magic of the beautiful Virgin Islands. Air Center helicopters can take you away to your island paradise. Skim across the deep blue Caribbean. Watch the scenery unfold. Let Air Center helicopters take you away and drop you off on a sunny, secluded beach. Relax and enjoy the surf and the sand, or explore the many bays, exotic beaches, and breathtaking cliffs that make up the Virgin Islands. Air Center helicopters can tailor a trip just for you, or you can choose one of their many island tours. Let Air Center helicopters take you away in the Virgin Islands.
On Tortola, one of the primary things to do is take a drive around the island. Tortola's roads are truly an adventure, and a rent-a-car must be included with your trip. Budget Rent-A-Car is the company with the vehicle for you. Depending on your needs and desires, Budget rents them all. The infamous Moke, family cars, and vans for large groups. Budget will pick you up at your hotel or yacht, and it's conveniently located steps away from the moorings. Budget Rent-A-Car. Take a drive around the island.
TravelView International is pleased to present Chartering Tips by Chartering Magazine.
To learn more about an exciting yacht charter vacation in the British Virgin Islands, your first step is to contact a charter broker or bareboat fleet company. Check the yellow pages of your local telephone directory or consult Chartering, the Yacht Vacations magazine. Each month, Chartering provides tips from experienced pros on all aspects of yacht chartering. A few things Chartering suggests you keep in mind. If you arrive in the BVI by boat, you